Hello, today I wanted to show you how my task string extension works. Basically what it does, it generates code using LLMs right within the text editor. What task string does is instead of getting the instructions from a pop-up box or a chat bar, it instead gets instructions from within your code, and it can also modify any part of your code base. It does not need to be a modification like right there. It can be a modification in one file, it can be a modification across multiple files. So right now I am working on the sample project where I'm using GitHub AutoKit to search code of repositories. And then I'm calling this, so I have this one function called search code, which gets a query and it paginates through all the pages. And then there's the main file, which searches the code, which invokes that function and then simply prints out the length of the data found. So this is really like repositories. So maybe we should rename data like across these files. Maybe I should rename data to be more descriptive of what it actually holds. So let me do that. Let's say I'm in this file. Rename the data variable across files. Oh, yeah. Representative different repositories. And then I do at run. All right, so it updated one file, finds another location where we are using this, and great. So this looks like a good change to me. I'm gonna save this, we're gonna save this, and then we're just going to get rid of this.